What is up, YouTube? Hope you're doing very well out there in the internety sort of world. Welcome to my very first installment of the informational and instructional videos about backpacking. One sec. Backpacking. So today we're going to be talking about the top 4 apps that I use every single day religiously. These apps are super helpful, they help you traveling, they give you a certain amount of safety and backup. So let's get going. So, number 1 is my favourite app, the app that I use every single day without a doubt, and apps that have saved me money, an app that has given me a sense of security and safety, which might sound a lot for just an app, but it actually does give you these things, and that app is Maps.me. What is amazing about this app? So this app lets you download maps and then use them offline whenever you want. Now, it's not only just the roads, it's cafes, museums, points of interest, hospitals, pharmacies, just everything that a normal map has. You just literally find Wi-Fi somewhere, you download the whole of Thailand as a country, and you have every single road and back street that you need. Maps.me, download it, brilliant. So app number 2 is an app that you've probably heard about before. It is Agoda. Agoda is a really, really good hotel booking site. So the thing about Agoda that I like is the design of the app. It's super easy to navigate, it's super easy to book stuff. They save your credit card details, so you can literally just go, yep, I like that one. Before it runs out, just press book, rather than putting all your details in and stuff like that. It just saves you so much time. The main thing about Agoda that I really like is their customer service. So they have customer service all around the world, so you can ring a local person that will be like, yep, no problem, I'll ring the hotel for you if you're not too happy about a booking, or you can't make a booking because you missed a flight. There's so many great things that we've rung them for, and they've helped us out in minutes. You've got someone to speak to that can sort out any problem that you need regarding the app or regarding a booking. So 100% download Agoda. Number 3 is a bit of a weird one because it's not exactly one app, but more like a bunch of apps that I think that you need. And they are banking apps. You've probably got most of them already. You never really quite fathom how many times you use it to send money, to receive money, to check that money's come out of your account. They're so important to have when traveling. The second part are travel cards. So I have 2 travel cards. I have a Monzo and I have a Revolut. They are everything to traveling. They let me get money out without any charges. I pay the ATM charge and I pay the conversion, but I don't pay any bank charges. It saves you so much money. They are a must-have. So my favourite out of the 2 is definitely Revolut by far. Monzo was really good at the start, and now they've changed their sort of limits and how much you can take out, and they charge you 3 or 4% to a maximum amount of withdrawal. Now, I've withdrawn quite a bit from the Revolut card and I haven't had any charges so far, so it's worked out really well. The other thing is how easy the app is to use. So you can send and receive money in seconds, and once you've sort of connected your card, it's so easy to just whack money on it. So literally just put £20 in, enter, literally in seconds you've got money straight on that card available to you to take out at most ATMs. Really handy. Make sure you get your banking apps and make sure you get your travel card apps. Number 4 is an app that everybody has, and it might seem obvious, it might not to some, but this app is Facebook. Now, Facebook is super handy. 1, to upload your videos. 2, to sort of check out your friends and see what they're doing and try to feel a bit normal sometimes when things are going wrong or whatever. It makes you feel a bit closer to home if you're feeling homesick. And number 3 are mainly the groups. So Facebook groups are brilliant. You should follow stuff like, if you're coming to Southeast Asia to backpack, you should follow ones like Southeast Asian backpackers, Thailand budget backpackers. Just sort of search in the search bar, click the groups, and just plus, try to add as many as you can. Also, some tours here are cheaper the more people you have. So if there's only 2 of you as a couple, some tours are cheaper if you take 4. So you can sort of be on the app, oh, tomorrow we're going on this excursion. Is there anybody else that would like to go? And you can save money by doing it that way. Also, you meet some great people from the other end of the earth. Me and Grace met some really nice Canadians and we ended up spending New Year's with them. Like, it's super, super fun to see people, like-minded people in the most random of areas meet up, have a good chat and a couple of beers. Like, what more do you need in life? Super, super helpful Facebook, and it's a must-have. Make sure you add yourself to all them groups and get learning. So that is it for my first tip video. There's going to be a lot more of these coming. Hopefully I'll get a little bit of a better background next time, but this is the best I've got. It's better than an old hostel that we was in a couple of days ago. I'm sorry if it's a bit grainy because GoPro is not the best, but it's all I can afford. So yeah, if you want some more tips, my next one's going to be about what to pack and the things that I use every single day in my backpack. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I shall see you in a couple of days.